Hello and welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into Healthline. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into Healthline account, go open your web browser first and in the search box type in homehealthline.decisionhealth.com and press the enter. Soon after do that, you'll find yourself on this page right here. In order to log in, go and click on this box right here and enter your username for your account. Now, go to the next field that says password and type in your password for your account. If you want to double check your password, click on this eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal the password before moving on. If you want the system to remember you, then click on Remember Me box. But if you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box right here. And once you're done, you can go and click on the login button. But in case you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Once you have the credentials correct, click on Login button and you'll be logged into Home Healthline account in no time. That is how you can easily log into Home Healthline. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.